So today's recipe is a very, very healthy burger recipe. Here we're going to use only sprouts to make the cutlet. We're going to use olive oil and we are going to use whole wheat burger buns. So this is an entirely healthy recipe. It has no potatoes or anything fatty in it. Now I'm going to start by frying one onion in olive oil. I'm using a large onion which I've sliced very finely, and we're going to fry this till it is golden brown. Now here I have about 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop them very, very, very fine this way. Garlic too is extremely good for health, so I'm going to chop it and keep it aside in a small little bowl. Next, I'm going to chop up this capsicum or green bell pepper, then chop it lengthwise and then make it into small little cubes. And once we finish chopping that too, we're going to put it in a small bowl. Now here I have the main ingredient of the cutlet, which is moong. Now I have sprouted the moong. I will leave a link on how to sprout moong. I have a recipe on that, so I will leave a link for that. Then I've boiled it and I have drained out all the water from it by putting a plate through a strainer and keeping a heavy weight on it. You have to ensure that all the water is squeezed out of it. Now we're going to mash this up. Now in a small pan, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to add my chopped up garlic. Fry it well till the rawness goes away. Once that is done, we're going to add 1 light green chili chopped very, very fine. Then goes in our chopped up bell pepper or capsicum. We have to fry this very, very well. Now we're going to add some garlic bread seasoning. This has actually got some lovely dried garlic flakes in it. It's easily available. I'm going to add some oregano or oregano and a little bit of some red chili flakes for that extra kick. Then we're going to add some black pepper powder, which is homemade. I've just roasted the peppercorns and then ground it in my grinder. Now this mixture that we have made, we're going to add that to our mashed up moong. Now we're going to mix all of this together well. We're going to add some salt. I'm adding some Himalayan pink salt. And we're going to mash all of this well together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of browned bread, whole wheat bread slices to it. About 3 will do, because this adds a little bit of body to the cutlet and it becomes a little bit firm, so we can shape it up and make the cutlets. My son loves this burger and I give it to him at least once a week to school. And it's so healthy too, rather than using potato or, the ready-made burger cutlets. You can make this at home. Now all I need to do is just shape it up into the burger cutlet, and I'm going to just dip it into some breadcrumbs. These are also homemade breadcrumbs, which I've used whole wheat bread. Just toasted the bread up and ground it in my mixer pot. Now I'm only going to be making one burger just now. So again, I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil and just fry my burger till it's golden brown on both sides. And the remaining burger cutlets, I'm just going to store it up in a small tiffin, and I'm using some parchment paper or some baking paper in between each of them. And this lasts for about 2 or 3 days in the refrigerator. So when your kids are hungry or you're hungry, you can just have the burger cutlet all by itself. Now we're going to assemble our whole wheat burger. So first I'm going to cut up this bread. I'm not using any butter or any fatty ingredients. Now I'm just going to toast the bread on both sides just with the remaining olive oil that's there in the pan. This adds a nice toasty flavor. Now once I've done that to both sides of the burger breads, now what we're going to do is I'm going to be using some mint mayo. This is the fat-free mint mayo. And these are the onions that we've caramelized. I'm using 1 cheese slice. That's optional. You can drop the cheese slice. I'm adding the Tabasco because we do like spicy food. You can leave out the Tabasco if you don't like it. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of mint mayo to the the base of the burger. Just spread it out evenly. Then I'm going to place my lovely cutlet onto the mint mayo. Now I'm going to add a little bit of tomato ketchup. It's optional. Spread it out evenly. Next goes in some Tabasco sauce. Like I said, it's optional. Just a few drops. Next goes my slice of cheese. You can use any cheese slice of your choice. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of caramelized onion. And just put the cover, and our burger is all ready to eat. This is such a healthy alternative. So try this out, friends, and let me know in the comments box section below whether you liked this burger. And do give this video a big like if you do. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I need to touch the 5,000 subscriber mark, so help me get there by just hitting the red subscribe button. It's completely free, and once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell so that way you won't miss out on any of the updates or recipes coming out on Akshatas recipes. I will be vlogging a lot soon. It's a surprise, so you'll get to know about it only once you subscribe and hit the bell button. So stay tuned to my channel. Visit my channel. I have more than 270 recipes. So I will leave a link on how to visit my channel. You can just press the link and it'll take you to Akshata's recipes. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for stopping by, watching my videos. And have a great day, and I'll catch you in my next recipe. Bye.